In this video, I will show you how to create and manage playlists in YouTube. First, let's define ano po ba ang playlist. Ang playlist po is a collection of videos. Kahit sino pwede gumawa ng playlist at pwede ito i-share sa iba. Useful po ito when you want to curate or have a list of videos you want your students to use as part of your lessons. To create a playlist, let's go to YouTube. Select the video you want to be part of your playlist. Under the video, click the Save button. By default, may isang playlist which is Watch Later. Let's click Create New Playlist. Now, add a playlist name. Make sure na descriptive ang playlist name para maalala niyo po kung tungkol saan ang mga videos na nasa playlist. A video can be part of multiple playlists. Next is privacy. We have three options. Pwede pong private na tayo lang ang makakakita ng playlist. Pwede ring unlisted, meaning ma-access lang ito ng iba if they have the playlist link. This is ideal kung may mga project ang students natin na video ang output and gusto natin ipunin ang video submission nila sa isang playlist. Or public. Kahit sino pwede makita, mahanap at mapanood ang laman ng playlist natin. Ito naman if we have a great content na dapat alam din ng students and fellow teachers natin. Select the most applicable one for your playlist. I will select public. Click Create. How do you access your playlists? On the top left, click the three lines. Andito po ang inyong playlist after watched later. Click on it and your playlist with a list of videos will open up. You can edit the title by clicking this pencil icon, or you can click this pencil icon to edit and add the description. You can also change the sorting or drag the videos to specify an order. It is best to arrange the videos in a playlist according to how you want your students to watch them. Kung may tanong po kayo tungkol sa YouTube and how to create playlists, please leave a comment below.